Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating feature, how to generate images with Dall E on Bing Chat. So, let's get started. Bing Chat offers a unique capability, the ability to generate images using OpenAI's Dall E AI image generator, right within your text conversation. This feature provides more freedom compared to the official Dall E website. To harness this creative power, simply use the more creative conversation style. For instance, you can ask Bing Chat to create an image of a horse in the snow. With Bing Chat and Dall E, the possibilities are limitless. Unleash your imagination and witness your ideas come to life. That concludes our exploration of this fantastic feature. Have a blast generating images and exploring all that Bing Chat can do. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.